It's Ivy, it's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals. That means either the deals will not last long or they will remove the coupon. Let's get to our first deal, and it is going to be on the Mr. Clean right here. These are the ones for $4. Now, Mr. Clean give us deals every blue moon. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. This one, I consider it to actually be a good deal right here. These are at $4. They have two coupons. Now you're looking at one that's 3 for $10 manufactured, and then you're going to look at this one right here that is a spend 30 save 10 on your next trip. That's a Dollar General coupon, so these two coupons will stack together, so be looking for a deal on that. Okay, so these are 3 for $10, so pick up 3 of those, guys. Let me see if the game, I don't think, oh, they don't have any more game, because I was just going to say you can make a good game deal with these now. So if you want to make a game bundle, go find the ones that have the game in them and then use that. That'll make an awesome bundle deal. What I'm going to do is grab the one with the Unstoppable in it, okay? Because I might can get a deal out of that, a bundle deal. Let's keep it moving. A Windex foam right here, $3.50. It's a $1.50 coupon, making that $2. And it is just the squeak-free foam that you spray on your windows, which is actually a better deal. $2, guys. Even if you use this Windex original, $3.50. It's a 75-cent coupon, $2.75. So I would grab this one for $2. Okay, the next thing I want to bring you guys to is the Lysol Power Cleaning Gel. It's at $3. Let me scan it. I want to scan the product itself. Okay, $2.75, and they gave us a 50-cent coupon, making that $2.25. If you need cleaning products, this will be the time to grab them. Okay, guys, I want to show you something right here. And we're going to see the Clorox, the 2 count, they're $5.50. They have a $1 coupon. Let's scan it. So you see that $5.50, they gave us a $1 coupon. It's 2 in the box, $2.25 each. The Lysol, $2.25 each also. So for one, so what I would do is pick the one I need most, which is going to be this Clorox for me. I'd rather have the bleach than that. Okay, again, make it a cleaning deal. This, you can use this as a cleaning deal. Okay, let's get to our next deal. Okay, so I'm looking for the Febreze car clips. They don't have the 2 counts here, so here it is right here. It's $6. You have a $3 off coupon, making those $3 for 2 clips, or $1.50 each. So if your store has the clips, look for it. That's an awesome deal right there. Let's keep it moving. Now, Glade has a deal where you spend $15 and you will get $5 instantly off. Now, that's the apple cinnamon. I don't buy fruity smells. $6, $2 coupon. Now, we also have the 4 for $12 game deal back, or $3 each, right? So here it is. They're originally $4.50. We have a number of coupons. You have that 4 for $12 coupon, which is a Dollar General coupon. Of course, we had a spend 30 save 5. Do not hit that coupon. And then you have the spend 30 save 10 on P&G products. Now, $2 General coupons will not stack, so do not depend on those being used together. But the 4 for $12 game, that's a good deal, especially if you have your manufacturer coupons to go along with it. Okay, let's get over here to the Snuggle. The Snuggle is $3.75. We have a number of coupons. We had one that's a manufacturer for $1.25 each, which you could buy as a single. Then you have the spend 20 save 5 on all the Purexes and Perseals, all products. And then you have 75% off of one, which is a manufacturer. Now, you can pick up that Snuggle and get 75% off, or you can mosey right on down here to the detergent, and you're going to scan the Purex. The Purex is $3.75. Again, a number of coupons. You have this one coupon that's $1.25 off, making it $2.50. Then you have the spend 20 save 5, and then you're going to get $1 back 3 times. $1 back 2 times if you do that deal twice. So grab your Purex, guys. So Purex $3.75. Take away your $1.25. Leave you at $2.50. Then you're gonna get $1 back off of cash back. $1.50 for your Purex. Now the pack I grabbed is 21 in the count. In the pack, divide that by 21. You're gonna pay 71 cent. Let me see, 21 divided by $1.50. 14 cents a pack. That's how much that Purex is. So more bang for your buck, whichever one fits, guys. Hey guys, don't forget they gave us Suavitel this week also for $4, and they gave us a $1.50 coupon. So that actually is a good deal because we never get Suavitel for a cheap price anymore. We do have that $2 off on the Tide fabric rinse, $6.95. They gave us a $2 coupon. It is also a Dollar General coupon, so it will not stop with this coupon. Now, if you want to do a deal, you also could come right over here to the Tide pods. They're at $5.50, and they gave us a $1 coupon. So if you want to make that out of a deal, you can. Any day deals, you can do whatever deals you want to on the weekend. If you're going to do 5 off 25, you have to cover that 5. The Dawn Power Wash is originally $5. They gave us a $2 coupon, making it $3. Now that's a manufacturer. It will go with this coupon. That's a Dollar General P&G. They will stack. There's some good deals, guys, for stacking. Now let's get to the Ajax. The Ajax is $4 right here. You have a $1 coupon. We haven't had that in a while. And another deal we haven't had in a while was the Palmolive. That's $2.75 right here. They gave us a $1 coupon, making it $1.75. So that's actually an awesome deal. Get to some food right here. The Quaker Tree yogurt bars are $2.95. When we scan them, it's $2.95, and they have a $2 coupon off, making them $1.95 off. So you need to buy 2. That's an awesome deal, especially with school coming back. Throw those in them book bags, guys. But I do go to big box stores because my boys will down these very quickly. Quaker also gave us a $2 off coupon on the cereal, the Captain Crunch right here, that $3.95. We look, it's $3.95. They gave us a $2 coupon off on each one, and then they are 2 for $6. When you take that $2 off, that makes them 2 for $4 or $2 each. So make sure you grab those deals. And look, guys, they're going very quickly. This is a good deal for school. I already know that as an any day deal, as you can see, that will not be there. So that is why I am doing it today, okay? Now, another deal that we have going on will be on the Honey Nut Cheerio. The Honey Nut Cheerios are $3.85. We have a ton of coupons plus some instant offers. 2 for $6 on General Mills cereal right here. So here you go. You have that $1 off 1 box. Now you're down 2 for $5, and then you have another $1 off 2. You do not want to use that, and then you want to use that 50-cent off 1, which will work. So they're going to take $1.50 off of 2. They're already 2 for $6. So let's go 6. Take away that $1 and then take away that 50 cent. They're gonna leave you at $4.50. Divide that by 2, $2.25. So the better deal is the Quaker. The Captain Crunch cereal is the better deal today, guys. All right, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share these coupon accounts. We don't gatekeep. Bye.